Yes, sir.
Palak, Ahana and Abir.
सर एक बार थोड़ा सा एंट्री शॉर्ट में बता।
देखिए, ये जो हम एंट्रीज कर रहे हैं ये इंटरवीनिंग पीरियड के प्रॉफिट या लॉस की है। इंटरवीनिंग पीरियड का प्रॉफिट जो है दैट वी हैव टू गिव टू द आउटगोइंग पार्टनर। In case there is loss in the intervening period, then we have to recover his share in loss, right? And for that we have these entries. Now these entries are in two sets. This is one set, this is other set. These two are conditional. You will apply this set when profit sharing ratio of remaining partners does not change. So in that case, we will give share in profits of intervening period only to the outgoing partner by debiting P&L suspense account. If there is loss, then we will do this entry. And if profit sharing ratio of remaining partners changes, then instead of doing this, we will do this. So for intervening profit, we will debit gaining partners capital accounts and will create sacrificing partners capital accounts. In case of intervening loss, we will debit sacrificing partners capital accounts and credit gaining partners capital accounts. That's it. Right, Abir?
ओके सर।
I hope you have understood, Abir, right?
यस सर। सर बट when a partner goes out of the firm, the two partners, it's for sure they gain.
No, not necessarily. One of them may lose also. We have seen the examples of it earlier.
Yeah,
If the
anyone, I think. I want to say
Yeah, yes,
anyone.
either all or some of them gain for sure. Either all or some of them gain for sure, right?
Yes, sir. So the second one entry we have to like necessarily pass. In between these two, one we have to pass.
Right. Either you have to pass one of this or you have to pass one of this. That depends on the profit sharing ratio of the remaining partners. If it does not change, then you will pass either of this. If it changes, you will pass either of this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next adjustment, guys, is for interest on capital of the intervening period. Since the partner is retiring or has died not on year end, but he has retired or died on any day other than 31st or 1st of 31st March or 1st of April. So till the time he was there in the firm, he is also entitled to interest on capital as per the partnership deed. So if partnership deed says that yes, partners are entitled to interest on capital, then the outgoing partner has to be given interest on capital of the intervening period as well. So suppose a partner is retiring on 15th of July, then he also has to be given interest on capital for a period from 1st April till 15 July. That is for a period of 3.5 months. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
The same way, if there is provision of interest on drawings, then we also need to take care of that. So these two are the additional adjustments other than this one. So total number of additional adjustments in case of death of a partner, especially when death does not occur on 31st March or 1st April, are these three only. One is profit or loss of the intervening period, second is IOC of the intervening period, and third is IOD of the intervening period. So if partnership deed provides for IOC and a partner retires or dies on any day other than 31st March or 1st April, he also needs to be given IOC of the intervening period. And for this, the journal entry that we pass is P&L suspense account debit to outgoing partners capital account. We cannot debit P&L appropriation account that we usually do when we give IOC, because P&L appropriation account is opened only at year end, that is on 31st March. But these entries we are passing on the date of retirement or death. And therefore, instead of opening P&L appropriation now, we will debit P&L suspense account. So with the amount of IOC, you will pass this entry. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For interest on drawings, the entry would be reversed. So if partnership deed provides for IOD, interest on drawings, and a partner retires or dies on any day other than 31st March or 1st April, he also needs to be charged IOD of the intervening period, for which the entry that we pass is outgoing partners capital account debit to P&L suspense account with the amount of IOD. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Abhi, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so guys, now in these three additional adjustments, you have found one new account, that is P&L suspense account. Now, what is its role? I tell you that, right? See, all these entries we are passing on the date of retirement or death, and that date is other than 31st March or 1st April. So once you pass these entries in which P&L suspense account is there, in your ledger, this account will also be there because of the journal entries. At the year end, when you make trial balance, you will show this, the balance of P&L suspense and trial balance as well, because it is there in trial balance. So, sorry, it is there in ledger. So from ledger, it will also go to trial balance. So this P&L suspense, whether it has a debit balance or credit balance, will go to trial balance at the year end. Which year? At the end of which year? The year in which a partner has retired or died, right? From trial balance, you will pick the balance of it and will show in P&L account. You will show this debit balance in P&L account on debit side. And if it is a credit balance, you will pick it. You will pick the balance and you will show it in the on the credit side of P&L account for these profit or loss. With that, what will happen? Suppose there was intervening profit, you passed this entry, then you posted it in ledger on the date of retirement or death, and because of that, you had to open this account. Now, at the year end, you found this in ledger with some debit balance. So, you took this in your trial balance. From trial balance, while preparing final accounts at the year end, you will show this on the debit side. And this, with that, what will happen? Profit of the whole year automatically will get decreased by the amount of profit which you have already given to the outgoing partner. आपने जितना प्रॉफिट आउटगोइंग पार्टनर को दिया था, वो ऑलरेडी आपके पूरे प्रॉफिट को कम कर देगा. तो जो बचा हुआ प्रॉफिट है वो किसके लिए है? दैट रिमेनिंग प्रॉफिट इज फॉर रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स. So automatically the things will get settled. I hope guys you have understood this. Though it is of not much use for you, but since you may have a doubt or you may have a question where this balance will go, that is why I explained you this.
Sir, I didn't understand.
Okay, leave it if you do not understand. Falak and Anna, have you understood it to some extent?
Yes,
Or
sir.
you have also not understood? I'm asking girls.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Though that has nothing to do with the questions that you would be asked in your exam, right? Yeah, what you may be asked in exam about that I'm writing here. So after doing these three entries, guys, you may have some balance in P&L suspense account. In case you are asked to prepare balance sheet of the firm immediately after doing all these adjustments on the date of retirement or death itself, though that also is not asked mostly. But in case you are asked to prepare balance sheet on the date of retirement or death of the reconstituted firm, then this balance of P&L suspense account you will show in balance sheet. If it has a debit balance, you will show it in asset side. If it has a credit balance, you will show it in liabilities side. I hope guys you have understood this. Everyone, right? Abir, Ana, and Falak.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, you already noted down everything till here. I sent you the screenshot and I hope you have already noted down this, right? In your notebooks. Falak, Ana, and Abir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ana, did you note that yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, now note down this, guys, from point number 7. So guys, I hope you all have noted down everything till here, right? Abir, Falak,
Yes, sir.
Ana. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what I was just explaining you before, guys, is this thing, Abir. From the date of retirement or death, we pass some journal entries in which we have P&L suspense account. Correct or not? Like this one.
Yes.
Now, later after passing journal entry, what will you do? You will post that in ledger. So when you post that in ledger, you have to open this account, P&L suspense account, because this account was not there in your ledger earlier at all. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now at year end, when you prepare trial balance, you will also take this debit or credit balance of P&L suspense account to your trial balance from ledger, because in ledger you have this balance. So it will go from ledger to trial balance. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
From trial balance, how will you present this debit or credit balance? That is mentioned here. The balance of P&L suspense account indicating only the amount of intervening profit will go to credit side of P&L account. If it indicates amount of intervening loss because of either this entry or yeah, this entry, right? Then you will show it on the credit side of P&L account. I'm sorry, on the debit side of P&L account. No, it would be debit and this is credit. Yes. So the balance in your P&L suspense account, which you will show in your trial balance at year end, out of that balance, see that balance may made up of IOD, IOC, and either of intervening profit or intervening loss. जो आपका बैलेंस पीएनएल सस्पेंस अकाउंट में दिखेगा उसमें इन दोनों में से कोई एक चीज और आईओसी और आईओडी तीनों मिला के होगा यस और नो
Yes.
राइट आना फलक Abir, I hope you're understanding
Yes, sir.
this. Okay, so that balance you need to split up while preparing your final accounts. ट्रायल बैलेंस में तो आपको नेट बैलेंस दिख रहा है लेकिन वो नेट बैलेंस कहाँ से आया लेजर से आया दैट नेट बैलेंस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम लेजर इन लेजर यू हैव क्लियर पोस्टिंग ऑफ clear and separate posting of intervening profit or intervening loss of IOD and of IOC. So there you know the amount of IOD, IOC and intervening profit or intervening loss, right? So that balance you need to split in intervening profit or intervening loss and IOC and IOD. So whatsoever is the amount of intervening profit that you will show on the debit side of P&L account. If the amount is of intervening loss, then you will show on the credit side of P&L account. The amount of IOC you will show on the debit side of P&L appropriation account and of IOD you will show on the credit side of P&L appropriation account. That is what I was explaining earlier.
Okay, sir.
Although guys, you would not be asked to prepare final accounts of the year in which a partner retires or dies. Yet you should know this. That is why I explained you this. You would not be asked any question for sure. Even in books also you will not find any question in which you have to prepare balance sheet and P&L trading and P&L account and P&L appropriation account of an accounting year in which a partner has retired or died, right? Still, this is for your additional information and knowledge. Have you understood, guys, this much?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you will write this also, guys, but not now. The last adjustment here. It has nothing to do with intervening period. So after doing all these adjustments, out of these eight, whatsoever are applicable in your question, after doing all that, you will finally get net capital balance of the outgoing partner. Net balance means net of all the above adjustments. And that balance actually now is the liability of the business, liability of the firm to be paid to that outgoing partner or his representatives, legal representatives. In case of death of a partner, whom you will pay the net capital balance of the deceased partner is to the legal representatives of that deceased partner. Legal representative may be his legal heirs, उसके घर वाले जो उसके वारिस हैं, हेयर हैं, राइट? उनको, या फिर अगर उनकी तरफ से, इफ फ्रॉम द फैमिली ऑफ डिसीज्ड पार्टनर देयर इज सम लीगल, देयर इज सम लॉयर, then to whom you have to pay this balance. So what do we do for that? That is what this point is about. Am I clear, guys, or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So after doing all the above applicable adjustments, the net balance of outgoing partner's capital is payable to him or to his legal executor, that is legal representative, which may be his legal heir, matlab waris, or a lawyer, right? So we debit outgoing partners capital account with the net capital balance. We credit cash or bank account to pay it. And in case we cannot pay outgoing partners capital balance fully or partially, then whatsoever amount we cannot pay, we means the firm, that unpaid amount is transferred to his loan account. So in case of retirement, we credit outgoing partners loan account. In case of death, we credit outgoing partners executors loan account. So amount that we balance, guys, out of this net capital balance, whatsoever amount is paid, for that we credit cash or bank account, and whatsoever amount is not paid, for that we credit outgoing partners loan or outgoing partners executors loan account. This you will credit in case of retirement, this you will credit in case of death. Am I clear, guys? Ana, Falak, and
Yes.
Abir.
Yes.
Yes.
Now this balance, guys, will appear in liability side of the firm's balance sheet until it is paid fully. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So you already noted down everything till here, guys. Now you have to note down the things from here. Do it now, guys. All. Abir, you have noted down this, right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, note down this example, everyone. Peer Falak, how much is left?
Done, sir.
The last line.
Okay. Okay, so guys, here there were three partners, Pranav, Karan, and Rahim, and they were sharing profits and losses in 2:1. On 31st March 2017, their balance sheet is given to us. After the balance sheet date, on 12th June 2017, Karan died. According to the partnership deed, the legal representatives of the deceased partners were entitled to the following: balance in his capital account, IOC, share of goodwill and goodwill of the firm, as valued on Karan's death, was 60,000. Share and profits of the firm till the date of his death. So this is about profit of intervening period, and the profit of intervening period is to be calculated on time basis because we have been given only profit of the immediate previous year, right? So we have to apply here time basis, right? So here intervening period is from 1st April 2017 to 12th June 2017. Yes or no? He died on 12th June 2017. So this accounting year starts from 1st April. So from 1st April till 12th June. That is 30 days of April 2017 plus 31 days of May 2017 plus 12 days of June 2017. Correct, guys, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that is 73 days, right? Profit of intervening period is profit of the accounting year 2016-17 multiplied with 73 days divided by 365 days. Because this profit is for the entire year, that is for 365 days. So how much this profit would be for 73 days, that we will have to calculate. And that is 5 lakhs, that is profit of the accounting year 16-17 was 5 lakhs multiplied with 73 divided by 365. Correct or not? And that is exactly rupees 1 lakh. Share of Karan in profits of the intervening period is profit of intervening period, that is rupees 1 lakhs into Karan's profit share. And Karan's profit share is this 2 divided by 5. That is 40,000. Right, guys, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. gain of Pranav and gain of Rahim we have to calculate. Why gain? Because what would be their new profit sharing ratio is not given to us. So in that case, we will assume that their old mutual ratio, that is 2:1, would be their new profit sharing ratio. So gain of Pranav is equal to old proportion minus new proportion. Old proportion was 2/5. New proportion is 2/3. Right? So the LCM here is 15. It would be 6 minus 10. That is minus 4 by, or rather I'm simply writing 4/10 because I started this from the gain. So gain of Pranav is 4/10. Gain of Rahim is old proportion, that is 1/5 minus new proportion 1/3. LCM is 15. Here we will have 3 and here we will have 5. That is 2/15. So here it is 4/15 and here is 2/15. So gaining ratio of Pranav and Rahim is 4/15 is to 2/15, that is 4 is to 2, that is 2:1, which is their new ratio also. And this is what happens, we know this, guys. Right or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? Abhi Rana.
Yes.
So now we have to pass journal entries. First journal entry will pass for newly valued goodwill, which is 60,000. For that, we will debit gaining partners capital accounts and we will credit sacrificing partners capital account. So we will debit Pranav's capital account. We will debit Rahim's capital account and we will credit Karan's capital account. The amount of goodwill is 60,000 multiplied with respective gain. So gain of Pranav is 4/15. So this is 16,000. The same way we will do it for Rahim. That is 60,000 into 2/15. That would be 8,000. And same way we will do it for Karan. Karan's sacrifice is Karan's profit share. That is 2/5. So here it would be 2/5. So that is 12 into 2, 24,000. Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anna, it's clear. Anna, I'm asking you. Okay. We do not have any point here regarding revaluation of assets and liabilities, guys. We do not have any accumulated losses here at all. Yes, we have accumulated profits. Only one item of accumulated profits, that is general reserve. So now we will do the journal for it. And that would be general reserve account debit to all partners' capital accounts. The amount of general reserve is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 will go to the three partners in their old ratio 2:1, right? That is 60,000 to Pranav, 60,000 to Karan, and 30,000 to Rahi. So this also we have done, right, guys? So revaluation is not there, accumulated loss is not there, existing goodwill is not there. So out of the five basic adjustments in this question, we have only two. One is for newly valued goodwill, and one is for accumulated profits. Right, guys? Now we will record entry for intervening profit. Since remaining partners' profit sharing ratio is not changing, right? In that case, only outgoing partner would be given his share in the profits of intervening period. And his share in profits of intervening period is rupees 40,000. And for that, our third entry would be profit and loss suspense account debit to Karan's capital account with 40,000. Created share in profits of intervening period to the outgoing partner's capital account. The next entry we'll do for interest on capital of intervening period. Correct, guys? His capital balance as on 31st March 2017 was 2 lakhs. On this 2 lakhs, the firm has to pay him interest at the rate of 12% per annum for 73 days of the intervening period. So that would be 2 lakhs multiplied with 12% into 73 divided by 365. Since this intervening period is in days, that is why we are dividing it by 365. I hope, guys, you are understanding it, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 24,000 and this is 1 by 5. So 24,000 divided by 5. means 4,800. So interest on capital of current of the intervening period is 4,800. So for that we will debit P&L suspense account will credit current's capital account. Right guys? The last entry would be settling current's capital balance, net capital balance. Right, Anna, Abir, I hope you're understanding everything till here. I'm asking you guys, Abir and Anna.
Yes.
Anna, are you not there in the class?
I'm there.
Are you understanding it, Anna?
Yes, sir.
So what is current capital balance now, guys? That we can calculate manually also without preparing current capital account, though we will prepare that at the end, right? Or okay, we prepare that simultaneously. Here we will have capital balance 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Now here we will have Pranav's capital account and Rahim's capital account for the newly valued goodwill, that is to compensate to the outgoing partner, and that is 16,000 and 8,000 respectively. Then we have general reserve 60,000, 60,000 and 30,000. Then we have profit and loss suspense account, and that is 40,000 and 4,800. And guess for these two, that is for 16,000 and 8,000, we will also debit Pranos and Rahim's capital, for which we will write here by, sorry, to current capital account So Pranav's capital would be debited with 16,000 and Rahim's with 8,000. So we are done with the posting of these entries, this entry and this entry. Have you got this, guys, this much? So with this now we get capital balances of the three partners. Here we have 260, here we have 130, and here we have 2 lakh 24, 2 lakh, okay, 3 lakh 24, 3 lakh 28,800. So current capital balance is 3 lakh 28,800, and that would be transferred to his executor's account, because payment of information about payment of current's net capital balance is not given in the question. It means current's net capital balance is not being paid, but it would be transferred to his executor's loan account. Are you getting my point, guys, or not? I'm asking. Sorry, guys, I muted myself when I was speaking to you, anyways. So I hope you have understood this much of the posting that I have done so far, right or not? Ana, Falak, and
Yes.
Abir.
Yes, sir.
Ana. So the net capital balance of current is 3,28,800. Since it is not given in the question whether it would be paid or not, and therefore we will assume that it is not being paid on the date of his death. So it would be transferred to his executor's loan account. So here we will write to Karan's executor's loan account, 3,28,800. And capital balance of Pranav is 2,60,000 minus 16,000, that is 2,44,000. Of Rahim it is 1,30,000 minus 8,000, that is 1,22,000. So for this, now we will pass the journal entry, and that would be current's capital account debit to current's executor's loan account. How much? 3,28,800. Understood? Falak, Abir, and Ana.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. We also have to prepare balance sheet of the firm immediately after Kanan's death. I will show you that later. First, guys, you start noting it down here, and please be little quick in that. Here, tell me.
Sir, in this line of profit of intervening period, sir, uh, after accounting 2016-17, you have multiplied with 73 by 365 days. So something is there to be included, or like,
In which? In this profit of 5 lakhs?
yeah, in after 2016-17.
Yeah. Means I did not get your question, Abir.
Sir, you have written profit after accounting year 2016-17
Not after. I have written profit of the accounting year.
sorry, sorry, of the.
Yes. So that is 5
So
lakhs.
we have
Means it,
taken previous year profit, so assuming.
right, because we have been given previous year's profit here. यहाँ लिखा है clearly calculate on the basis of last year's profit, and last year's profit is this one. Last year means year immediately before the date of death or retirement. Death has taken place on 12 June 2017. So this date is coming in the accounting is 1718. So immediate previous year is 1617. And of that we have already been given the profit. Got this?
Yes, sir. Sir, in the question, would they give a leap year also?
They may give, but you should be careful of that. Right? If there is a leap year, then you will take 366 days.
Yes, sir.
Right? So doubt is clear, right, Abir?
Yes, sir.
Have you all noted down this much, guys?
Yes, sir.
Abir, Ana, have you noted down this much?
Yes.
Yes.
Note down this also, guys.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Abir,
Yes, sir.
the second journal entry is ending here, guys. Right? This is the second journal entry.
Ah,
Okay, sir.
So you have noted down all the 5 entries, Abir.
Yes, sir.
Are you all preparing partners' capital accounts, guys?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Abir and Anna.
Done,
Abir, are you
sir.
writing it?
No, sir, complete.
Are you done with this?
Yes, sir.
So, guys, finally, balance sheet of the firm on 12th June 2017 after Karan's death. So, guys, here nothing has changed. It will remain as it is. Here, general reserve has been distributed, so it will go off from the balance sheet. Partners' capital balances have changed. Pranav's capital balance is 2,44,000 and that of Rahim is 122. Current's capital is not there at all. Rather, we have Current's executors loan account with balance of 3,28,800. The total of capital is 3,66,000. And here we will have debit balance of P&L suspense account. And debit balance of P&L suspense account is 44,800. I hope you have got me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it will increase by 44,800. So it would be 9,94,800. And here also it is 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs 94,800. Make this fast, guys.
Done, sir.
Anna, have you made it? Balance sheet?
Yes.
So, guys, it's a full-fledged question of death. And in this, we have adjustments related to intervening period also. So, from this chapter, we have to see two more things that we will see, guys, in our next classes, in the further classes. Today, you have to go through this question yourself again, guys, including all the accounting adjustments related to retirement and death, right? So that's it from my side. Today we will not have macro class at all. I am ending the meeting.